So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in View Advanced System Settings. Click on it. And now once you run this, under Startup and Recovery, you want to click on Settings. Make sure that you have Automatically Restart unticked. You want to untick Automatically Restart and then click on OK. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in Registry Editor. Click on it and then click on Yes. And now once you run this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK Local Machine, and now you want to expand Software, and now you want to expand Policies, and now you want to expand Microsoft. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. And now you want to expand Windows. You want to right click on Windows, and then click on New, and then click on Key. You want to call this Windows Updates. Spell it the same way how I did with the same capitals and lowercase, and then click on Enter. We're going to scroll down. You want to right click on Windows Updates, and then click on New, and then click on Key. You want to call this AU, both in capital, and then click on Enter. You should now have the AU folder selected, and now this should appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. Make sure that you're now in the AU folder. And now once you run this, you want to right click on the white space, and then click on New, and then click on dword 32-bit value. You want to call this NoAutoRebootWithLoggedOnUser. Spell it the same way how I did with the same capitals and lowercase. This will also be down below in the description. You can copy and paste it if you want to, and then click on Enter. And now once we have this, you want to double click on it. In this box, you want to make the value data 1. Make sure that you have the number 1 here, and then click on OK. For the last step, just restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.